In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion sub-items, subtasks. By the end, you'll be able to neatly break a big task into smaller, actionable pieces right inside your lists, keeping everything clear and easy to track. Start by creating your item list or task list in Notion. You can use a simple bulleted list or a to-do list with checkboxes. Both work great. Type your main task or item first. Once you've finished that line, press Enter to move to the next line. With your cursor on this new line, press T. That simple keystroke converts the new line into a sub-item of the task above it. You'll see it indent beneath the main item, and if you're using a to-do list, the sub-task will get its own checkbox, perfectly nested under the parent task. Repeat the same pattern to build out your hierarchy. Type another subtask, press Enter, and you'll get another sub-item at the same level. This makes it fast to create a clean checklist of steps under a larger goal. You can keep going as deep as you need, but in most cases, 1 or 2 levels is plenty for clarity. This approach is great for any workflow where you want structure without complexity. Planning a project? Use a main task for the project and sub-items for milestones. Tracking daily work? Create a task like prepare meeting, then sub-items for drafting notes, collecting links, and setting the agenda. In a reading list, the main item can be the book, and sub-items can be chapters or key topics to review. If you notice the indentation, you'll see exactly how Notion organizes the information. Parent items on the left, and children tucked neatly underneath. This visual structure helps you scan your list quickly and focus on what matters next. If a sub-item needs more context, you can add notes right on that line or open it to include details, links, or reminders. A quick tip for clarity: keep each sub-item specific and action-oriented so you can check it off confidently. Short, focused lines are easier to manage and keep momentum. And if you're using to-do lists, checking off a subtask won't automatically complete the parent, which is helpful when a larger task depends on multiple steps. That's really all there is to it. Create your list, press Enter to move to a new line, then press Tab to turn that line into a sub-item under the one above. Simple, fast, and surprisingly powerful for staying organized.